How to turn on spell check and autocorrect in Notepad. Microsoft has recently enhanced Notepad in Windows 11 by adding spell check and autocorrect features. These updates make it easier to identify and fix typing errors directly within Notepad, transforming it into a more versatile text editor. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you enable and use these features. Enabling spell check and autocorrect in Notepad. 1. Open Notepad. Press Win Est, type Notepad, and select the app to launch it. 2. Access Settings. Click the gear icon in the top right corner of the Notepad window to open the Settings menu. 3. Enable spelling features. Scroll down to the Spelling section in the settings. Toggle on Spell Check to highlight misspelled words in your text. Autocorrect to automatically fix common typing errors as you type. 4. Start typing. As you type, Notepad will underline misspelled words and suggest corrections or automatically fix errors, depending on your selected settings. Additional spell check settings in Windows 11. If you want spell check and autocorrect functionality across other apps, configure these options in the System settings. 1. Open Windows Settings. Press Win-I to open the Settings app. 2. Navigate to Typing Settings. Go to Time and Language, Typing. 3. Enable spelling features. Toggle on autocorrect misspelled words. Highlight misspelled words. Benefits of spell check and autocorrect in Notepad. Improved productivity. Quickly catch and fix errors without leaving Notepad. Enhanced usability. Great for drafting documents or coding with fewer distractions. Consistency. Works seamlessly with other Windows 11 apps when system-wide settings are enabled. Update reminder. If these options are not visible in Notepad, ensure your Windows 11 is updated to the latest version. You can check for updates by navigating to Settings, Windows Update, and clicking Check for Updates. Microsoft's updates to Notepad make it a more practical tool for both casual and professional users. By enabling spell check and autocorrect, you can transform your typing experience and reduce errors significantly. Happy typing!